All right, so look up. Let's do something extra on chain rule. Let's do something extra on chain rule. Let's do this one here. Sample problem, find the y dx given that this. All right, find the y dx given that y equal to this. How do we solve this? So look up, please. Look up, please. The problem will now be, is this a chain rule question? The answer will now be, well, depends. If you can express this as a par, whether negative par, oh, sorry, after this we'll do one on negative par before we go on break, okay? Let's make sure how negative par works. After this, we'll do something on negative par, then we'll go on break. Okay, so given this one here, how do we solve this? First things first, do we know that there is a difference between this, what is so, and this? Call this A and B. A and B are not the same. Are we aware? A simply means 3 root 8, which means 3 times square root of 8. That's A. B means what there? The cube roots of 8. Now, this B can be written as what there? A to the power what there? 1 over 3. Please take notes, please. When you have root 8, this is equal to A to the power 1 over 2. When you have it this way, this becomes A to the power what there? 1 over 3. When you have it this way, this becomes what there? A to the power what there? All right, please get this right, please. This is from indices. Let me refresh your memory first before we start. In essence, what I have here is the cube root of this. So this now becomes y equal to x cubed plus 5 to the power what there? 2 cube root. Cube root is what there? 1 over what there? 3. Please look at this very well. Please look at this very well. This same thing here, which is this, but I'm taking the cube root, that's all. Right? That thing to power 1 over 3, which is this one here, to power 1 over 3. At this juncture here, of course, in indices, there's something called the product power law. Where you have a to power m times n. This is different from a to power m times a to power n. Are we aware? This one, same base multiplying a, we say add their powers. M plus n, not MTN, no. M plus n. In this case, when they are multiplied, it becomes what there? A to power m times n, mn. Please look at the difference. Look at the difference, please. They only add if I have the same base multiplying with the power. That's it. In this case here, obviously, this one follows this pattern here. What does it mean? It means that from here, if I expand again, y will be equal to 2 times 1 over 3. What do you get there? X cubed plus 5 towards there? 2. That's it. So your task is to move from here to here. That's your task. Okay, at this juncture, we can now bring in the let u be this, the u the x, y the u, whatever. Let's take this place. From here, of course, first step, we say let u be equal to what there? Term in the bracket. X cubed plus what? 5. Differentiate u with respect to x. You get what there? Du dx. How many? 3x squared. You've gotten this. Okay. Next up, y. Also, y will be equal to what there? U, Abby. This is u. What will be u to power what's there? To power 2 over 3. So my task here is to find dy du. We have that dy over du is equal to, how do you get that? Multiply by the power, subtract 1. What's the power here? 2 over 3 times what you have here, u to power what there? 2 over 3 minus 1. So you have this. This is equal to 2 over 3 times u. What do you have here? Minus 1 over 3, please. Minus 1 over 3. It's just 2 over 3 minus 1. Collect your LCM. Okay. From here, dy du is equal to, what do you have here? 2 over 3 times, to eliminate the minus, what do you do? Take inverse. So it becomes what there? 1 over u to power what there? Sorry. This into what there? 1 over 3. This man can be written as what there? Cube root. So that becomes dy du is equal to what there? 2 over 3 times 1 all over the cube root of u. Okay, this is equal to 1 times 2, 2 all over 3 times this, 3 into the cube root of u. Don't go and write 33 root u. The first 3 is big. Then root, put this one, make it smaller inside here. Then this. Don't go and write 33 root u. So I have this. All right, at this juncture, we can now say using what? Using chain rule. Using chain rule. What do you have there? We have that dy dx is equal to what there? Dy du times du dx. What's dy du? 2 over what there? 3 into what there? Cube root of what? U times, what's the dx? Cut it there. 3x squared. All right, multiply this. 2 times 3x squared gives you what there? 6x squared all over. Please give me a second, please. All right, so this is equal to 2 times 3x squared gives you what there? 6x squared all over this and this. 3 into 3 with you. Obviously, these two can cancel out, right? Yeah? 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2. That's equal to what there? 2x squared all over what there? 3, third root of u. But what's u? What is it? X cubed plus 5. X cubed plus 5. Now put u here. What do you have there? You have that dy dx is equal to what there? 2x squared all over third root, the third root of what's u there? X cubed plus 5. That's your answer. So that's how it's done. That's how it's done. Let's take one on negative power and we'll go on break. So please copy.
To get the complete video, simply join the first year students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the first year students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the first year students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description.